Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 99 of Building the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series. In this issue, we're doing a little bit more with the driver's door. After looking at episode 99, obviously, from season 2, from October the 12th, 1967. Still talking about lasagna and the penguin and horse racing by the looks of it. That's the one where Batman's horse wins the race. Oh, isn't it nice? I wonder if they ever changed the eyebrows to make him less surprised. Don't know. Anyway, Batgirl's gone again like a cloud. The Joker's five-way revenge. Some sort of poker term, is it? Five-way? I don't know. Let's draw while I work out. Don't know who Packy is. My fella my age has got to keep in shape. O'Neill and Adams created the five quirky henchmen: Philly, Jack, Packy, White, Albie, Bigger Melvin, and Bing Hooley. Yeah, they sound like strange ones. Nightwing. Don't know. Nightwing is the Robin, not evil Robin, but sort of Robin-ish. Robin became Nightwing, didn't he? I don't know about the spidery thing. All-Star Batman. Yeah, there we go. EK3, Dark Knight 3. Batman and Spider-Man join forces. Cool. Wait a minute. Superman, not Spider-Man. I was going to say Spider-Man's the other one. He's Marvel related, not DC. So yes, this is what we've got. We've got the interior. What's we got? The hinge panel and the door trim. So we're putting the hinge panel in place and not fitting the trim yet because we've got to fit the interior of the door first, I think. So let's get that done. It won't take very long at all. So this is what we've got. We've got the door that we've been building up with the hinges. We've got the trim that we're not using yet. We have some screws, two of which I will be using now. Put those to one side and keep them safe now and finish this month's delivery. This is going to fit in there like so. And two screws will go through those two holes once that lines up with that. That should go in there. And we'll lock that in place. And this one will do the same at the top. So I don't know if this is the internal panel or if there is more to go on the inside of that first. But we've certainly got the other half of the door to fill in. I can't get that one in there. It's interesting. Definitely lined up properly. And it's definitely not going in. That feels better. There we go. So there we go. That is that panel fitted. This is... don't know if that's going to fit on that bit or in there. I don't even know which way round it's going to go. I think it's going to go on top of another bit that goes in there and it will go in, something like that. But for now, I shall put this aside for later because we're done for now. That's that door getting there. There's no windows to worry about on these doors, so that makes it nice and easy. I would expect next time when we receive another 7 issues, that will finish this door off and start the next one, I'd expect. But for now, that is that. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and I'll see you for more very, very soon. Bye-bye for now.